If I'm injured on a rented electric scooter, can I sue to recover my medical bills? Electric scooters are becoming more popular in Northern California, especially when schools are out and tourism season is in full swing. Although electric scooters can lead to a day of fun and excitement, they could also lead to serious personal injuries in an accident. At Berg Injury Lawyers, our electric scooter accident lawyers know that medical bills can quickly become overwhelming in an accident. Fortunately, California law allows victims and their families of personal injury accidents to seek compensation for their medical bills and other damages. Although rental companies will often try to limit their liability and exposure to paying for medical bills, there are some instances where they cannot completely hide. Specifically, if you were injured in an electric scooter accident because the scooter was improperly maintained, damaged, or otherwise defective, the rental company may be responsible for your medical bills. If that defect was determined to be due to manufacturing, the company who made the electric scooter may also be liable. Thus, whenever the scooter itself fails, your medical bills could be covered by those building or renting the product to you. But if you were injured in an accident involving a vehicle or property owner, the normal rules of personal injury cases would apply. Thus, if you were hit by a car that failed to yield or was speeding, that driver's insurance would likely be responsible for your medical bills. Similarly, if you were injured by a defect at a skate park or another facility that advertises for electric scooter riders to come ride for a fee, they may be liable for your medical bills due to a dangerous or hazardous condition on their property. Unfortunately, even where liability may be crystal clear, sometimes defense lawyers and their insurance adjusters will blame electric scooter riders and refuse to fairly compensate victims. If that happens to you or a loved one, call our personal injury law firm for help. To learn more about how our experienced electric scooter attorneys in Northern California at Berg Injury Lawyers can help you, contact us today by dialing 866-928-4640 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.